Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to answer your phone.
Year 96's biggest blockbuster is here. A skilled team of young politicos attempts what could be the most difficult task in the history of presidential elections.
Good evening, Mr. Phelps. Your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to make Bill Clinton look like a conservative. Should the president be caught in a lie, he will disavow any knowledge of you. This tape will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Good luck, Jim.
I can't do that. Nobody can do that.
Bill Clinton's White House staffers star in Mission Impossible.
I've invaded KGB headquarters, raided files. I've been in Saddam Hussein's office, but I've never had to do anything this tough before.
Mission Impossible, the story of a crack team of PR people who are pushed to their limits, trying to give Bill Clinton some sense of credibility.
Okay, today he'll say he's against gay marriages, and he has put 100,000 cops on the streets.
Oh, yeah, sure. Like the public's going to believe that. Why don't you just have him announce he's for meaningful welfare reform? No. Have him say he likes Tommy Thompson's welfare plan. Gee.
Mission Impossible. Better see this one. There may not be a sequel.